The most common mistake in a small front yard is installing a gate that is simply too heavy for the space. A tall, solid, fortress-like door can make a compact area feel claustrophobic and boxed in by blocking sightlines and casting unwanted shadows. In a small space, your gate should invite the eye in, not shut it out. The goal is to select materials and styles that feel airy and open. If you need privacy but fear the fortress effect, the lattice top gate is your perfect solution. This design cleverly combines a solid lower panel, which provides security and blocks unwanted views from the street, with an open, airy lattice on top. This single design choice performs two miracles. It draws the eye upward, emphasizing vertical space and making the yard feel taller, while simultaneously allowing sunlight to filter through. For those with a modern sensibility, a louvered gate offers a sleek, architectural look that is as functional as it is beautiful. Often associated with interior closet doors, the louvered design is revolutionary for small, enclosed spaces that can become heat traps with stagnant air. The angled slats are positioned to provide visual privacy from the outside while allowing air to pass through freely, creating a gentle cross breeze that cools the entrance. In the tightest of spaces, the swinging gate is often a non-starter. A standard gate needs a clear arc to open, which can encroach on valuable pathway or planter space. This is where the exterior-grade sliding barn door kit becomes a game-changer. By mounting the gate on a track to slide parallel to the fence, you reclaim every square inch of your yard. For a timeless look that never goes out of style, the Z-brace gate is a reliable classic. Its simple, diagonal bracing provides excellent rigidity without adding unnecessary bulk, making it ideal for smaller spaces. Typically constructed from lightweight, rot-resistant woods like cedar, this design is strong yet visually understated. There is a common misconception that small spaces cannot handle grand gestures. In reality, an arched arbor gate can make a compact front yard feel larger and more expansive by drawing the eye upward. The arch is a powerful architectural element that frames your entryway like a living picture, transforming a simple walk to the door into a grand arrival. It signals that you are entering a special, distinct place. A gate doesn't have to be just a barrier, it can be a piece of art. A spindle-top gate blends the sturdiness of a solid panel with the charm of a classic picket fence, using decorative spindles to break up the visual mass. This open design allows glimpses into the garden beyond, creating an illusion of depth and a secret garden allure that is incredibly effective in small spaces. For contemporary homes, simplicity is the ultimate luxury. A minimalist gate crafted from powder-coated aluminum or sleek iron offers clean geometry and a sense of order without overwhelming the landscape. These designs often feature thin, vertical lines or subtle geometric patterns that provide security while preserving visual flow. If your aesthetic leans toward farmhouse or cottage, a gate made from reclaimed wood can add instant warmth and character. The weathered textures and varied tones of age would bring a sense of history and authenticity to a new home. In a small front yard, this rustic element grounds the space and connects it to the earth. Pair it with black iron hardware and overgrown lavender for a look that feels both nostalgic and intentional. Sometimes, the best way to make a small yard feel bigger is to blur the boundaries entirely. A gate made from welded wire mesh or a dark, open-grid metal can recede into the background, allowing the eye to pass through to the garden beyond. This invisible gate defines the property line without creating a visual stop. It is particularly effective when you want to highlight specific landscaping features, as it frames the view without competing with it. Why let your gate simply sit there when it can grow? In a small front yard, every square inch counts, so consider a gate that doubles as a vertical garden. This can be achieved by attaching small planters to a solid gate or by choosing a design with integrated trellis work. Imagine a gate where succulents spill from pockets or where a delicate clematis weaves through the metalwork. The hardware on your gate is the jewelry of the outfit, and in a small space, these details matter immensely. Heavy-duty strap hinges or sleek, self-closing mechanisms ensure the gate functions perfectly and lasts for years. A beautiful thumb latch or a lockable gravity latch becomes the primary point of interaction, so it should feel solid in your hand and look the part. A charming gate during the day should be just as captivating at night. Well-placed lighting is essential for extending the welcome into the evening hours and improving safety. Low-voltage LED path lights can guide visitors to the latch, while subtle uplights placed at the base of the gate or arch can turn it into a dramatic nighttime focal point. A gate should never stand alone, it needs the soft touch of nature to feel truly integrated. Use low-maintenance shrubs like boxwoods to frame the sides of the gate, providing a formal, evergreen structure. On the other side of the spectrum, allow ornamental grasses or lavender to spill gently onto the path, softening the hard lines of the structure. Never underestimate the power of a fresh coat of paint to transform a small entrance. While natural wood tones are timeless, a bold splash of color can turn your gate into a signature statement. A deep teal, a cheerful sunflower yellow, or a classic front door red can inject personality and vibrancy into a compact front yard. This pop of color draws the eye and creates a focal point that distracts from the yard's smaller size. For the ultimate in whimsy and photographic appeal, consider installing a secret garden door. This doesn't have to be a functioning gate, it can be a standalone door frame set into a hedge or a fence line, creating the illusion of a passage into another world. Painted in an unexpected color and surrounded by climbing vines, it adds a layer of mystery and narrative to your front yard. The best gate designs are those that feel like a natural extension of the house. A gate should harmonize with the architectural style of your home to create a cohesive look. A sleek, modern metal gate complements a mid-century modern home, while a rustic wooden Z-brace gate feels at home in front of a craftsman bungalow. The journey to your gate is just as important as the gate itself. In a small front yard, a curved pathway can create a sense of mystery and make the space feel larger than it is. Whether you choose blue stone, brick pavers, or simple stepping stones, the path should lead the eye and the feet toward the gate in a graceful manner. Line the path with low-growing flowers or decorative grasses to enhance the feeling of a journey, turning a simple entrance into an experience. Horizontal lines are a major trend in modern design, and slatted timber gates are leading the charge. These gates, made with horizontal board spaced slightly apart, offer a balance of privacy and visibility that is perfect for front yards. The gaps allow filtered views and airflow, while the consistent lines create a sophisticated, contemporary aesthetic. This design is incredibly versatile, working well for side entrances or main gates, and it provides a beautiful backdrop for the dappled light of the afternoon sun. Small details can make a big impact. Consider adding a small, diamond-shaped window to a wooden gate for a peekaboo view of the garden beyond. Or, hang a decorative heart or a small piece of garden art directly on the gate to add a layer of whimsy. These tiny touches invite visitors to look closer and engage with the space, adding a layer of charm that feels personal and handcrafted. It is these imperfections and personalizations that turn a house into a home. If your front yard configuration allows, consider placing a small seat near the gate. A bistro set or a simple wooden bench tucked to the side of the entrance creates an outdoor room and invites interaction with the neighborhood. This setup makes the space feel lived in and welcoming, extending the hospitality of your home to the sidewalk. It transforms the gate from a simple entry point into the anchor of a social space, perfect for morning coffee or an evening wave to passers-by. For the busy homeowner, the beauty of a gate must be balanced with its upkeep. Choosing durable materials ensures your charming entrance stays beautiful for years with minimal effort. Cedar and redwood are naturally rot-resistant and age beautifully. Powder-coated aluminum or vinyl options offer the look of painted wood without the maintenance, resisting fading and weathering. By selecting materials suited to your climate, you ensure that your first impression remains a positive one, season after season. Your front yard gate is more than just an entry point, it is the opening line of your home story. In a small space, the right gate design can work wonders, transforming a cramped area into an expansive, welcoming, and deeply personal haven. Whether you are drawn to the rustic charm of reclaimed wood, the clean lines of a modern louver, or the romantic allure of a rose-covered arbor, the perfect design is out there waiting for you. So, take these ideas, assess your space, and build a gateway that not only secures your home but truly welcomes you back to it every single day.